This is a miracle, doctor. He asked the boy to look at his fingers. Then he asked the boy to grab his cane. The boy couldn't grab it. This indicated that his brain had lost control of his muscles. House then took out a document from his office with a similar case. In this case, the patient experienced 7 symptoms in one day and died. House suspected it was lipoid granuloma. At this point, the boy had the first 2 symptoms. House deduced that the boy also had this disease. Other doctors believed it was a misdiagnosis, but House insisted on his diagnosis and had the boy undergo relevant tests. However, the results did not show symptoms of lipoid granuloma. It seemed that House's deduction was wrong. Before the group could discuss other possibilities, the boy developed the third identical symptom. The boy began to experience kidney failure. The group began to discuss various possibilities, but no conclusion was reached. Based on the progression of the previous case, House had the boy take liver-protecting medication. This time, the boy skipped directly to the 7th symptom. His lungs were also failing. If the cause was not found, the patient might not survive for more than 2 hours. While performing an ultrasound on the patient's blood vessels, they discovered a mass in the heart. This was the 8th symptom, which was not present in the previous case. Now, only a heart biopsy could determine the cause of the illness. However, the patient was extremely weak, and only enough samples were obtained for 3 tests. But the team had 7 guesses. House chose the wrong 2 in a row, leaving only one last chance. House went to the rooftop to think. He suddenly realized that trump cards are always kept hidden, so that opponents cannot see them. The same is true for truly difficult cases. House asked the team to test the initial lipid granuloma. Everyone thought he was crazy. Lipid granuloma was the first to be ruled out. House explained. The initial biopsy was of the colon, but at that time, the condition may not have progressed to the colon, so it wasn't detected. The subordinates were reluctant, but they still performed a colon biopsy. The sample changed color. It was lipid granuloma. House, relying on his stubborn knowledge, saved another life.